What up, gang? Welcome back to another Saturday video. We're riding around downtown Phoenix, see if we can get kicked out, see if we can get impounded. So that's today's vlog, and appreciate you guys watching. We are urban exploring again, but this time around we are downtown. I don't know my way downtown at all, so yeah, we're gonna get f***ing lost. So I really don't know where we're going. We're just gonna cruise around the city and see if we get kicked out. This is downtown Phoenix. We've heard a lot of people having issues on e-bikes here, so we figured might as well pop out and see what all the hubba bubba is about. My dumbass. I forgot what we were doing. I reached for a foot brake. We're cruising around the city. Really nothing, no plans. Just see what we can get into. Let's f***ing go, baby! Never been downtown Phoenix. I don't really find myself coming out here often at all. So this is all new to me. Windows are dirty. This is definitely a fucking one way. Uh-huh. Yeah, that. This is pretty cool. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Downtown's dead. For a Sunday? Well, I guess it is Sunday. Yeah, I was like, what the f? I was like, might be a cool pick. It's a government building? Yup. What is cool around here? I don't know. He's got one of them e-boards. It's good. How fast does that thing go?
This one goes about, hold on, music. This one goes about 34 miles an hour.
No way. How is the locals around here with about these? Are they pretty okay about them?
Be fucking polite, sucks. Are you guys riding? I'm guessing you're on the streets with these.
Yeah, we're kind of staying on the street just so we're not as assholes on the sidewalk, you know? These are fun.
How come you don't got electric bike or motorcycle? I'm like,
Well, once you go to these, you got to like take into account like transportation and then loading it up and a way to carry it with something like that, or even the unicycle. Yeah, throw it in the back and go. Well, yeah, man, ride safe and
yes,
appreciate your time.
you guys.
Definitely.
Buddy. Good job on wearing the gear.
For sure. Yep. It just takes one time. All right, cool. 96. Really? We're just cruising. I really have no plans, gang. I'm just trying to find something cool. That's all there is. Don't know where we're going. Hey, it's Frank! Hoping we could race him. Getting nippy! Top speed, we'll just both run it right here. How fast? Huh? 55? Oh, really? Just cruising around. When that guy was coming, I was like, bro, come on. No, he didn't even fucking look, nothing. Oh. Uber? didn't see a cop. Where?
He's in that parking lot right there.
I just did a fat wheelie next to that car. Yeah, I didn't see him. Wee, wee, wee. Oh, a little technique course? Oh, made it. What the? A perfectly stood up can of soup. Real quick, next giveaway is going to be the beginning of January, most likely the first weekend of January when I upload. I'll be announcing the next giveaway. But congratulations to Mr. Beam899 for winning the gold pair of Warp 9 bars. And thank you guys so much for participating in the giveaway. We had over 50 entries, and I am beyond stoked at you guys for participating that much, dropping all the comments and everything like that. So we're definitely going to be doing this again, and I'm probably going to be making this a normal thing in my videos. So don't feel like you missed out on the last giveaway, because there are many more to come, and the goal is to give away a Sur-Ron one day. So like this video, comment, share, do whatever you guys can do so we can get to the point that we can start giving out bikes, because I know there's a lot of you guys out there that watch that don't currently have an e-bike right now, and it would be sick if we can get you into one for free. All you gotta do is like, comment, subscribe, and follow your boy. Let's fucking go, baby! Late night test of the new Warp 9 headlight, I guess. Woo! It's fucking nippy!
Boy, if you don't get...
Huh? Well, he had a little boo-boo. I know, I saw him, he was... I was like, what the f. Holy shit. Dude, they're pretty solid. Did you get in the air?
Yeah, I'm at a bottom now.
I'm gonna send it on the video. I'm gonna try. Oh, this is weird. Oh, this is scary. That's so cool. This is fucking dope. Oh, that was a big jump. Oh! Oh, did you notice a couple whiskeys in that one? Oh my god. Oh! It's fucking sketchy. I'm like, oh no. And like, cause this thing's fly-by-wire compared to a fucking hull, it's so fucking twitchy.
You got like 3 feet of air that time.
I felt the suspension on this go gunk. This is cool. A little fucking. Soft, dude. It's kind of cool. It's like a little whoop.
Your bike might be a little scratched over here.
That's all good. Oh my god. Sketchy. Wheelie for Jesus. I don't know. Might have slid out. You alright? Gucci? Thank you, brother. I think they're fireworks. Oh! I saw that house, I was like, oh! Yeah, I could have.
I was like, shit, is he gonna make it? So I slowed down to see if he could get it before I could get him.
Oh my god! Nope! Done! Well, I was trying to be Mr. Cool Guy and come up, wheelie this, and then back into it, and then and then let's get the fuck out of here. What are we doing? You going to your house? No, that's right. That's it. Alright, y'all be safe. Later.